Well, hello to anybody who may be watching this. I am your awkward game show fan, your awkward host. The MXC Blu Ray just came in the mail, and I think I am going to do an unboxing video. I apologize, I've never done an unboxing video before, believe it or not. This is from, I ordered this from Crunchyroll, a company I've never ordered anything from before. And this set was put out by Discotek Media. I have no, there hasn't really been any announcement of what all is going to be on the set, other than it's supposed to be the first 3 seasons of MXC, Most Extreme Elimination Challenge. Here we go. Let's see if we can get that right there. We got that. We got Vic and Kenny up front. We got that. So it looks similar to the original DVD release. Do we have anything? Yep, okay, it says, remember what they always say, don't get eliminated. Where are these people running from? They're not. They're running to the world's toughest competition in town, Most Extreme Elimination Challenge. Join Vic and Kenny Blankenship in the Peanut Gallery as they preside over the worst of the wackiest competition known to man. Whether it's a leap of faith, a horse race gone out of control, or a swift kick to the nuts, these contestants have to face it all to claim victory. We've got Guy LaDouche right there, and we've got Captain Tennille. It's time to roll back for an MXC Impact replay as this hysterical free-for-all goes flying into your Blu-ray player. This hard-hitting collection includes 51 episodes of the cult comedy game show in standard definition. Although it was not a game show, I must point out, it was a comedy show, not officially a game show, because it was scripted. So now begins the task of taking off the sealed plastic wrap, or the shrink wrap, I guess is what this is called. It's been a long time since I've opened a DVD. I'm not happy about that. I wish they made more of them, but what can you do? So there's on the front is Vic and Kenny, there's the MXC logo, and we've got a couple of the games. We've got Wall Buggers, we've got Irritable Bowel Syndrome, we've got Wall Bangers, we've got Sinkers and Floaters, we've got the famous Rob Tussin backflip right there, and we've got Dash to Death. Let's take a look. So set 1, so pretty similar. You see a little bit more. You've got a rope from Dope on a Rope, and we've got the little man in the boat. We've got the MXC team right here, and we've got another. These look like actual press photos from Takeshi's Castle. This one looks like it was from the show, but this one I think is a press photo because I've seen this before. On the back, it looks pretty much the same. Let's see what the inside looks like. 1 disc. How do you like that? Oh, and it appears it's reversible. Let's take a look at that. What that cover? What do you got right there? There's the challenge, and there's rotating surfboard of death. We've got some log drop. We've got some saddle sores, and we've got the little man in the boat. So this is cool. I'm going to put this in my Blu-ray player, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm not sure how much longer this camera will last before it runs out of batteries. So the disc is in the tray. Let's enter it in there, and let's see what the DVD menu looks like and how the picture looks. Let me do a little zoom in so that you can get that. There's the standard thing. The FBI warning. Maybe I'll cut this out so that I don't get yelled at. Not familiar with Eastern Star. I am familiar with Discotek. Not familiar with Nihon Nights. Okay, so we got a pretty basic menu. Let's go to the 2 episodes. Got Network Boss. This looks like the first season. We can hear Kenny doing his thing. Okay, so it looks like this is seasons 1 through 3. It's going to replay. So it does appear that the episode that's missing is the Monsters episode, the product mascot versus real monsters. I wonder what we have for extras. We've got the sales reel, got the behind the scenes, Episode 1, 7, and 12. Oh, the audio commentaries, they ported those over. And then the most painful eliminations. Let's see what happens when we hit play all. And there it is, MXC.